So hi everyone, this is Imamur. So I hope you are all can hear me. So in today's class topic is domain and hosting. Today's class topic is domain and hosting. So as a web developer or in every web developer's life, domain and hosting is also a important part to understand and to feel what is a domain and hosting. So I have created a PDF file for you guys and an image. First of all, we have to understand what is a domain and what is a hosting and why we need this, why web developer need this, guys, right guys? Okay. So the video is about divided into two parts. First part is English and second part is Bangla. So be with me. At last I will sing in the hostinger or in the name chip. After that we can process. If I go to the image, okay guys, let's see what is this image. Domain and hosting and domain is the shop address. After that shop, okay, what is a shop? If I own this shop, then my shop name is my domain and my products is the hosting. Where will be the hosting will be keep. Okay, so this is our all products in the shop. So like I have bakery, I have fruit, I have burger, I have pizza, I have chair, I have table. All these products are in the shop. So the whole shop is the hosting the shop building. But the address is domain. The address is domain like www.mytech.com, www.burger.com, www.pizza.com, www.fashion.com. This is the domain name, the name, my identity, my map, my location, but the database or not database actually, it is the shop building or the hosting is the shop. Okay. So I hope you can hear me. So like I will tell you that if I go to the image again, so like thought that this bag is yours. Okay. Guys, this bag is yours. So this bag's names, I hope you can see it is cat. So this bag name is cat. The name cat is the domain. The cat or www.cat.com is the domain. But in the bag, if you have so many things, okay, if I have, okay, so I have some pencils, some rubbers, some things, or like I have this. Okay, I have this also in my bag. So these products, where is this products? These products are in my bag. So this full bag is the hosting. Okay, the hosting provides, but the name of the bag is the domain. We have to buy the domain, also the hosting. It's a connected service, domain and hosting. So that's it. Just I am going to go to the PDF file. I have created a PDF file for you. We will go slowly, and if you have any complaint to my video, please feel free to comment. Feel free to comment, or you can comment in my video, in my YouTube video. Okay, guys. So let's start with the PDF file, domain and hosting. Okay, so let's start. We don't need this. Okay. So the video will be start. Our topic is basic concept of domain and hosting 1 to 20. 1 to 20. Okay, if I go to the first, a domain is a website's unique address or name. So we already know we need a unique name like www.something.com. So no other businessman or the business holder can use my domain name. So it is strictly unique. Unique means different. Okay. Hosting is a digital storage or server connect to the internet. So we also need hosting. After that, typing a domain in a browser connects directly to the file store on the hosting server. So in the websites, what codes you have write or how you have built the website or the software by cloud code or how. So the typing a domain name in a browser after like type here www dot like tesla.com. So the Tesla is the domain name. So you can see Tesla has opened for us, or a famous brand name like Gucci or Louis Vuitton. I think www. I don't think I have a Louis Vuitton, LUICE Vuitton, VUTTO and the name is not perfect, I think. .com. uh, okay, Louis, 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 Button, Louisbuitton. So it's a famous brand in all over the world. Some top famous top famous brand Louis Vuitton, and so expensive things you can buy from here. So it is the domain name. HTTPS is the security eu.louisvuitton.com, LOUIS Vuitton.com. So after clicking it here, you can see the website. But first of all, you need to understand what is domain name hosting as a web developer. And I can show you, this is the website. You can make the websites by various technology: Next.js, React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Cloud Code. You can use whatever you want, whatever you are expert with. But this is the domain name, I mean the name or the address, and the whole thing are server in the database in the hostinger or in the hosting. So not hostinger, it is hosting. Hostinger is another thing. Okay, number three is okay, typing. Okay, number two is complete. Number three, browser understand IP address. Browser understand IP address. So DNS translate domain names into IPs. Okay, it is also fine. DNS means domain name system, is often called the phone book of the internet. Okay, number four is also gone. This is the small concept. Okay, a website cannot be viewed on the internet without hosting. So a website cannot be viewed on the internet without hosting. And if I go to the browser like www dot, like type anything, okay, .com. So thought that you have created a website and the website name is this, and enter. Okay, can reach this website. Check if there is a typo in www.thiswebsite.com. There are no website name in this, my name in this. Okay, if I go to the PDF file, so a website cannot be viewed on the internet without hosting. It's not like that, but I have not created nothing by this website. Just I have created a random name. So you must need a hosting. Remember, a website without only remembering a website without only IP address is not quietly possible. Instead of a domain name is difficult for humans. So if you are type here 123.954.789.com, so there are no websites by this number. So you can understand this is the IP address. .com, enter. So you can see no websites are by this IP address name. Okay, so IP address is a long name creating automatically by the domain. So you must need a domain name also. So why we need domain? Okay, after that, okay, TLD, top level domain. So top level domain is like .com, .org or .net. Okay, like .com. If I show you .com, Tesla.com, Louis Vuitton. So some famous brand name like Nestle.com or which I don't know. NESTLA.com. Okay, like so like a famous website name Netflix.com, like NETFLIX.com. So it's a famous brand in all over the world. After enter, it's a domain name of a movie website. So you can see. Okay, Netflix is also open for us. www.netflix.com/bd/. This is the website we have done. It's a the .com. It's the most important part or the famous brand. Okay, like famous means TLD refers to extension like .com. So this is the famous things. I can explain it more because I have so many points. Okay, CCTLD refers to country code domain extension. CCTLD. So this is a domain extension like BD. If you want BD like daraz.com. Okay, daraz.com. I hope there will be a DB/DB.com. No DB. Okay, BD means Bangladesh. If I told you BD means Bangladesh, UK means London or England, UK, and like USA means America. And if I go like USA or UK, okay, UK, search as London website. Okay, London website. So you can see www.londontrainticket.com, booking.com. Okay, it's also fine. And if I go, okay, like this, www.londongov.bd, so lord.gov.uk. So this is the country code in your PC. You can see www.london.gov.uk. So if I go again, CCTLD refers to country code domain extension. So the domain extension will be also with the country code. Country code means UK means United Kingdom, BD means Bangladesh, USA means America, and Australia I think AUS. Okay, www.gov.uk. After going to there, and Australian website, like Australian website says randomly type Australia website. The country code, I mean, I think AUS got it, like at here. It's not AUS, it's just AU. IMMI dot homeaffairs.gov.au. And if I go another website okay, www.studyaustralia.gov.au. Okay, so this is the country code we have to understand also in the domain. Okay, after that, domain names must be purchased as an annual subscription for a registration. So in first of all, you have to understand how to purchase it and how many money you have to spend from a registry. I will tell you details about this. Okay, after that, hosting servers 24 is available. Hosting servers remain operation 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, so after that, the primary role of hosting is to back up and secure files, database, and media content. It's also fine. Hosting is also very important. My file will be secure also. My database is also perfect, and our media content will be perfect. No issue. Okay. A website loading time depends on its hosting speed. Okay, I also need to a faster hosting speed, like a big company. A big company, we also have type Tesla here, Louis Vuitton, Netflix, Daras, a big company. Like, so a big company, how I say the loading speed, the highest loading speed, like a famous website. After typing it here, you can go there, nasa.com, or type just NASA, enter. Okay, www.nasa.com. So as a result, nasa.com is a famous website, but the loading speed is 1 millisecond. If I cross it and type again NASA, so 1 millisecond, and our website is seen to us by millisecond. Okay, so the speed is also fine. After that, bandwidth is the rate of data transfer from the servers to the user's browser. From server, you have to transfer the data with the user's browser. So user is, I am the user, you are the user. The local person, the normal person is the user of the website. After that, an SSL certified ensures domain security is also important by HTTPS. So HTTPS, if I go to daras.com, HTTPS, you can see HTTPS daras.com. After the Netflix, HTTPS with the security, and if I then use button, you can also see here HTTPS.bing, Louis Vuitton, HTTPS, and in the Tesla, HTTPS is also at here. So it's a famous brand, HTTPS, for the security. Okay, after that, subdomain is a child section under the root domain. So if you are a web developer, so buy a domain multiple times, it's so many expensive for you. And okay, if I go to the calculator, okay, so thought that the domain price is $100. So $100, $100. Okay, so you have get a client, or you are working as a web developer in a remote job, or you are doing an on-site job, also you are doing a hybrid job, anything you are. So as a web developer, you have to buy $100 for domain and hosting, or like $50. You can, okay, I'm going to take $100. Okay, so what is the benefits of subdomain? A subdomain is a child section under the root domain. So you have purchased $100, one domain into 1 is equal to 100. So you have created you have purchased one domain After that, you can use it multiple times, 100 times or 200 times or 300 times or 50 times or 30 times or 20 times or 25 times, 10 times, as you want. So the subdomain is also important. You have to understand is a child section under the root domain. You don't have to buy multiple domain, but the client, if the client needs specific subdomain or the specific domain, then you have to buy it. Okay. After that, custom email address are creating using a domain. Okay. Custom email address means a premium email address like eg.info@yourbrand.com. You have to purchase it. Okay, it's also fine. The physical location of a server impacts a website loading speed. Okay, it's also okay. Optimize the is the percentage of time a server remain continuously operational. Okay, number 19. Domain cloud hosting stores data across multiple servers to provide high security and reliability. Okay, it's also fine. And if I go to the Bangla expansion, I have also told you it will be Bangla also. ডোমেইন ও হোস্টিং এর মৌলিক ধারণা। ডোমেইন হলো ওয়েবসাইটের নিজস্ব ঠিকানা বা নাম, যা আমরা ইতিমধ্যেই জেনেছি। হোস্টিং হলো ইন্টারনেটের সাথে যুক্ত একটি ডিজিটাল স্টোরেজ বা সার্ভার। ব্রাউজারে ডোমেইন টাইপ করলে ডাইরেক্টলি হোস্টিং সার্ভারে থাকা ফাইলের সাথে যুক্ত হয়। ব্রাউজারে আইপি অ্যাড্রেস বোঝে, তাই ডোমেইন নামকে আইপিতে অনুবাদ করে ডিএনএস। ডিএনএসকে ইন্টারনেটের ফোন বুকও বলা হয়। হোস্টিং ছাড়া ওয়েবসাইটে ইন্টারনেট দেখা সম্ভব নয়। ডোমেইন নাম ছাড়া কেবল আইপি অ্যাড্রেস দিয়ে ওয়েবসাইটে মনে রাখা মানুষের জন্য কঠিন। টিএলডি হলো .com org নেট এর মতো অংশ। সিসিটিএলডি হলো দেশের নির্দিষ্ট ডোমেইন এক্সটেনশন, যেমন বিডিইউকে। ডোমেইন নেম রেজিস্ট্রি থেকে প্রতি বছরের জন্য সাবস্ক্রিপশন হিসেবে কিনতে হয়। হোস্টিং সার্ভার সপ্তাহে 7 দিন 24 ঘন্টা সচল থাকে। হোস্টিং এর প্রধান কাজ ফাইলের ডাটাবেস ও মিডিয়া কন্টেন্ট ব্যাকআপ এবং নিরাপদ রাখা। হোস্টিং স্পিডের উপর ওয়েবসাইটে লোডিং টাইম নির্ভর করে। ব্যান্ডউইথ ব্যান্ডউইথ হলো সার্ভার থেকে ইউজার ব্রাউজারের ডাটা স্থানান্তরের মাত্রা। এসএসএল সার্টিফিকেট ডোমেইন সিকিউরিটি নিশ্চিত করে। সাবডোমেইন হলো মূল ডোমেইনের অধীনস্থ কাস্টম ইমেল অ্যাড্রেস। সার্ভারের ভৌগোলিক অবস্থান ওয়েবসাইট লোডিং স্পিডে প্রভাব ফেলে। ক্লাউড হোস্টিং ডাটা একাধিক সার্ভারে রক্ষণাবেক্ষণের উচ্চ সুরক্ষা প্রদান করে। Okay, so if I go to the bottom side, the second part, major commercial sectors of domain and hosting 21 to 40. E-commerce industry. So what kind of industry we have? Large hosting is essential to keep the catalog and database of online shopping sites running. So e-commerce industry is a big industry, like a e-commerce website. If I go e-commerce website, our e-commerce website, okay, e-commerce website just e-commerce website. E-commerce website France. So at here Amazon.fr. Okay. So a famous e-commerce is Amazon.fr. Amazon.fr. It's also, I think, a subdomain. I think Amazon.fr. Okay, so the e-commerce website is also open for us. It's a big industry for us. And if I go to the PDF file, so large hosting is essential to keep the catalog and database. So you are need a large hosting, the big hosting here. So if I go to the photo, just think theoretically, the shop is so small for us. So because we don't have too many products, the shop is so small for us because we don't have so many products. মনে করো আমাদের এই দোকানটি অনেক ছোট, যার কারণে এখানে মূল্যদ্রব্য অথবা পণ্যদ্রব্য আছে খুবই কম। কিন্তু যখন আমাদের ব্যবসাটা বড় হবে, সেখানে আমাদের বড় একটি দোকান লাগবে। If our business will be so grow with short time, like we need a big shop, so big hosting. So large hosting is essential to keep the catalog database online shopping sites running. If I go to the 22, news and media portals, high security in hosting, high configuration hosting is required to handle millions of real-time visitors. Okay, high configuration hosting is required to handle millions of real-time visitors. So the news and media is also a big industry in today's world. And if I go to the another one like HSBC is a bank, I think. BBC World, okay, BBC World, BBC News, BBC World News. So it's a big international website for a news and updates world, UK, Canada, Asia, Africa, sports, Australia, Europe, Middle East, everywhere. So for news and update, https www.bbc.com news world. So high configuration hosting you will be need. After 23, okay, 23 education and e-learning. Education and e-learning. Powerful servers are needed to stream video. Powerful servers are needed to stream video, processing, payment, and host online courses. Okay, like online courses, you are need a online course in a educational websites or e-learning platform. So you need to payment. So host online courses and process. So this is a some difficulty, not a very difficult, some difficulty. Like if I explain it to you, uh, okay, where uh, by data scientist, data scientist course. Okay, by data scientist course. Okay, Coursera.org, Coursera, Udemy. Okay, okay, at here a unique websites I think I have. Okay, not here. Coursera, Udemy, Hackney.io. Okay, if you need, okay, okay, let's enter it here. So the website is www.educba.com, data scientist courses, data scientist course. Okay, and data scientist course is 150 courses series. And where is the payment? Enroll here by one. So enroll here by $119. 50% of the whole course fee is $239, but by $119 you can enroll now. So this is the pop-up. So you have 2 hours, 32 minutes left. So enroll now. So you have to give an email address here. Okay, guys. So this is the payment method. I am going to cut it. So what does it here means? What's the line means? Powerful servers are needed to stream video, process payment, and host online courses. So if you are giving a if you are giving a educational platform, so be careful about the hosting and learn it carefully and be expert with it. And after that, you can give the client a exceptional education on e-learning platform. So software and tech companies is a big industry. Domain hosting are necessary to host SaaS products and customer support platform. So if there are also you can buy something and sell something. So the payment gateway is also very important in this website. I think software and tech companies. So necessary to host SaaS products. So SaaS products, how to buy SaaS products? So SaaS products. Okay, okay, SaaS products, and in the image. Okay, so we what we have sell, we have sell our software, we have sell our technology system, our system design, and our websites, and everything we have sell here. Like we go to all. Okay, so like here, Amazon Web Series, Box, Microsoft Office 360, Salesforce. If I go to Salesforce, okay. If I go to the Salesforce, so just normally log in, and you can see what is the services they are providing. This is the main CRM system, or this is the main SaaS products, SaaS website. So also the software and tech companies also need the domain and hosting. So you have to log in here. I'm not logging it because the video will be too long. So you can see there services. So software and top companies domain and hosting are necessary to host SAS products. So after that, okay, banking and financial sector, dedicated hosting service are required for enhanced security and encryption. So banking and financial sector means like then international bank, like if I type HSBC Bank, okay, https www.hsbc.com.bd means the country code. Okay, so if I go there, you can see many kinds of banking related information I will have. So you can payment. Okay, so many websites closed. Okay, if I go there, so it's a bank website, and if you want to buy something, sorry, if you don't, if you are how to transfer your money or you are receiving money, so you can use websites for bank. So if I go there, so after that, portfolio and freelancing. Okay, Fiverr, Upwork, it's also important for a hosting. A domain is the primary medium for uh, okay, a domain is the primary medium for building a personal brand and showcase your work, or a personal portfolio website. As a web developer, as a video editor, as a graphics designer, you also need a portfolio and freelancing. Okay, gaming industry is also a big industry. Specialized gaming hosting is required to reduce latency in multiplayer games and maintainable stable connections like eFootball, or I think it's called eFootball. Okay, 2021. So it's a game in football. If you go there, you can, I don't know what is the services they provide us. And if I go there, gaming industry is a specialty. Hosting is required to reduce their latency in multiplayer games. Okay, multiplayer games, eFootball is a multiplayer games. And okay, if you GTA 5 also is a multiplayer games, I think. GTA 5, no, GTA 5 is multiplayer games or not, I don't know. So okay, skip it. After that, what do you have? Okay, cooperate and business website. So cooperate and business website is a custom domain is mandatory to project institutional professionalism. Professionalism. Okay. So business website, how can I understand this? E-commerce website, business website. So like you can see here gold business, like gold BUS, gold business. So unfortunately, the gold business is highly profitable. So where is the how can you provide this news by Google or Microsoft Edge? If I go at the bottom, how to start a gold business website? Okay, gold business best 27 gold business ideas with high profit margin. So gold business. Okay, Alamin Jewelers. Okay, goldbd.com, gold finance, how to start a gold business in India, a complete guide. Okay, so www.go-treg-capital.com, some kind of weird. So this is the Indian blog. If you go there, and some kind of information you will get. So if I go to the PDF file, business websites, a custom domain name you need for mandatory to start or to project institutional professionalism. So corporate or business websites. So blogging and content publish. Blogging and content publish. Static or dynamic hosting is needed to manage traffic for articles and blogs. Okay. So after in the 30, healthcare and hospitals, cloud servers are secure cloud servers needs. So every different points, different logic. Secure cloud servers are used for patient medical records and appointment systems. So if I go there, hospital websites, I don't know. Yeah, hospital. So Evercare is a hospital website. Evercare Hospital Bangladesh. And if I go there, secure cloud servers are very important for a medical reports because medical reports means if I go to the website, you can see so many kinds of information you have: home, about us, specialized, health check, online report, patients. So in the patient stores, you have many kind of information about the patients. But if this leak, the hospital database will be unsecured and will be at risk. So I hope you can understand the healthcare also. Okay, fine. Number 31, hosting is vital for real-time room booking and database purposes. Okay, for travel and hotel booking, I also need a secure hosting because for real-time room booking and database, because the messages option, real-time room booking messages option, the database processing, travel and hotel booking. This is also important for travel or hotel booking. So message option, message. If I go to the image, not message from the here, I will hit form. Okay. If I go to the PDF file, travel and hotel booking, like you have give. Okay. So that's the okay. Hosting is vital for real-time room booking. Room booking means what you need for a room booking in hotel. Your mobile number, your email, how to payment. So the hotel management or the hotel needs this information from you. So you are creating a form in your websites. By these websites, the hotel you can book a room in our hotel. Okay. So government sector is the most unique parts and important parts also because dedicated domains and data centers are used to deliver public services citizen. So if you are doing a government project, please be careful. High bandwidth hosting is initialized to ensure smooth high definition video streaming. Okay, OTP. It is called OTTP, OTT. Event management, bound hosting, backup are needed for ticket sales and event registration websites. Okay, number 35. Advertising and marketing agency, multiple domains are required to manage landing and pages and traffic campaigns. For delivery service, fast response service are needed for real-time location tracking and instant ordering. After 37, non-profit organization, the .org domain is popular for fundraising, fu- fundraising, and showcasing optimization organization impact. Okay, number 38. Community and social forum. Database hosting is required to store user queries, discussion, and profile data. Okay. Even number 39. Real estate business is also very important. Large storage hosting is necessary to display extended property listing and high resolution photos. Automobile industry is a big industry. Cloud server is most important. You have to handle. Cloud servers are used to handle customer car configuration and online booking portals. So if I go to the Bangla explanation, e-commerce industry হচ্ছে কি অনলাইন শপিং সাইটের ক্যাটালগ ও ডাটাবেস সচল রাখতে আমাদেরকে বড় হোস্টিং জরুরি হয়, আর হচ্ছে নিউজ ও মিডিয়ার জন্য আমাদেরকে করতে হবে কি লাখ লাখ রিয়েল টাইম ভিজিটরদের সামলানোর জন্য হাই কনফিগারেশনের একটি হোস্টিং প্রয়োজন। ভিন্ন ভিন্ন পয়েন্টের জন্য, ভিন্ন ভিন্ন সেক্টরের জন্য ভিন্ন ভিন্ন হোস্টিং আমরা কি করব, গ্রহণ করব অথবা পারচেজ করব, কিনবো। এডুকেশনাল লার্নিং হলো অনলাইন কোর্স ও পেমেন্ট ভিডিও প্লে করার জন্য শক্তিশালী সার্ভার প্রয়োজন, সেটা আমাদেরকে রিসার্চ করতে হবে। আর সফটওয়্যার অ্যান্ড টেক কোম্পানির জন্য আমরা কি করব, এসএএস প্রোডাক্টটা হোস্ট করার জন্য যে ডোমেনটা প্রয়োজন আমরা তা কিনবো। আমরা যদি সফটওয়্যার অ্যান্ড টেক কোম্পানিতে গিয়ে ই কমার্স ইন্ডাস্ট্রির হোস্টিং কিনি অথবা নিউজ মিডিয়ার পোর্টালে গিয়ে আমরা যদি গেমিং ইন্ডাস্ট্রির হোস্টিং কিনি তাহলে কিন্তু তা খুবই ভুল হবে। ব্যাংকিং ও ফিনান্সিয়াল সেক্টরের ক্ষেত্রে আমাদেরকে অতিরিক্ত নিরাপত্তা ও এনক্রিপশনের জন্য নিবেদিত হোস্টিং সার্ভিস লাগে। তারপরে হচ্ছে যে কর্পোরেট ও বিজনেস ওয়েবসাইট কোম্পানির প্রাতিষ্ঠানিক প্রফেশনালিজম প্রকাশ করতে ডোমেইন বাধ্যতামূলক। আচ্ছা, এটা সবই গেল। তারপর হচ্ছে ব্লগিং ও কন্টেন্টের জন্য আমরা আর্কিটেল বা ব্লগের ট্রাফিক সামলাতে যে স্ট্যাটিক বা ডোমেইন হোস্টিং প্রয়োজন হয় তা করব। আর আমরা যদি একেবারে নিচে চলে যাই 34 নম্বরে আমাদের প্রয়োজন ইভেন্ট ম্যানেজমেন্ট, টিকিট বিক্রি ও ইভেন্ট রেজিস্ট্রেশন সাইটের জন্য নির্দিষ্ট সময়ের হোস্টিং ব্যাকআপ প্রয়োজন আমাদের। So that's it. And if I go to the 41, static hosting architecture of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I will go first because our how many times I have gone? 35 minutes has gone. Oh my god. So HTML creates the structure of a website. CSS provides the styling. JavaScript the interactivity. So I don't need to explain this. We are all are web developer. Okay. Number 42. A website built using a combination of HTML, CSS, JS files is called a static website. Static site files are rendered directly inside the user browser. 44. Static sites do not require servers processing powered on a backend programming language. So, if I explain everything, it will be too long video, since I'm going to skip it. Sorry, guys. These files can generally run on any standard web browser. It's also fine. Netlify is extremely popular for hosting static website. Netlify is very important. Vercel is also supported, but GitHub Pages allows you to host HTML, CSS, JS projects completely for free in the GitHub. But the GitHub you can use for the real-time project. If you are creating a real websites, then GitHub is not okay. CDN means content delivery network. CDN means content delivery network significantly increase the speed of static cities. Okay, after 50, number 50, static sites do not require any server-side database requires. Okay, static hosting is exceptionally secure as it carries no server-side database. Okay, what is this? Vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities. I think vulnerabilities. Static files are delivered to user directly from the edge network of a CDN. Hosting costs are extremely low and in many cases completely also free. The hosting and the static servers are ideal for serving front-end files in a Jamstack architecture. The public HTML folder in cPanel can be used to manage static files. And number 56, to update content on a static site, file must be pushed and developed again using Git. Static websites load relatively much faster. Okay, number 58, it is the best choice for building landing pages but do not require the complex backend logic. Okay, for the backend we need a different thing. Search engine can index the static HTML files very easily. SEO and Cloudflare pages. Okay, and I am going to finish it. So firstly, for PHP Laravel, what we are gonna do for the backend system, PHP is the most popular server-side dynamic programming language. It's okay. Laravel is a popular and so guys, I'm going to finish this class as soon as possible. And number 66, cPanel for shared hosting is the easiest way to host standard PHP website. I have explained everything as much as possible because the time is so low. Various PHP configuration can be tuned via the php.ini. You have to do a Laravel project for this. To understand it, I will give another class in domain and hosting is FTP. SFTP connections are used to transfer files for PHP websites. Composer Packages Manager is required for hosting Laravel sites. Running Laravel requires a specific PHP version enabled on the server. Okay, the public folder must be set as the root directory for a Laravel project. SSH access or command line tool capability are essential for Laravel development, and dedicated background services are needed to run Laravel background jobs and cron jobs. Laravel Force is an automated tool that helps deploy PHP Laravel apps to servers. VPS is ideal for hosting Laravel applications. Cloudways, DigitalOcean, and Linode are popular VPS hosting providers. Laravel Security securely store database environment settings and private keys using .env file caching can be used to increase the speed of PHP servers processing. database queries general HTML and send it to the user browsers. WordPress is built fundamentally on top of the PHP and MySQL. So I am going to finish the class as soon as possible. 40 minutes has gone and I am going to cut this. So like a famous first of all I recommended, or first of all the a famous domain and hosting provider or domain and hosting service website is Namecheap. And how to buy it I will show you. Namecheap. Namecheap. So Namecheap is open for us, guys, and if I go there, so our website is ready. So how to add it here? So like if I go to the Chrome, okay, I think Chrome is more easier will be for us. Namecheap. Okay, if I go there, so I hope you can see the whole websites. Just normally you need a domain and hosting service. So I will show you. First of all, domain name search. If I go there, you don't transfer all your domains to Namecheap. So this is a like at here Apple is your domain name with a different name. Transfer it today. So you can see the price $6.79, $6.79 per year instead of 14.98, and it will be increased by per year. And .net .org is also famous, but the .com is very expensive, $12, $8. And if you are going .info, it's so less because the .info is a educational platform, I think. So $3 per year. Build a trusted space to bring your information to a global audience. Get ready to go with a co. Your future starts here. Okay. Enjoy free products and services with every registration. Free email trial, free domain privacy protection, DNSSEC security for your website. Sign up for the VIP rewards club. Find a domain name, and that's normally how to purchase it. And I have to sign in or sign up. Sign up. So how to sign up? Let's try Asan Rahman, a random name. My email address will be like this, a random. So how to sign in at here? Username will be also this. Okay, password I have to give a strong password, I think. Okay, I am giving a password by my own. Okay, I am going to give this. Okay, Asan Rahman, my email username will be this. Okay, you can add here 1 2. Okay, that's it. So fine, and create an account. So our account will be created, I think. No problem. What's the problem? Okay, username, a valid username is required. Okay, valid username Asan. Okay, it's fine. Okay, create an account. So our account is ready. Not a username you requested is already used. Okay, Asan no. A valid password is required. Okay, create an account. Percent create an account. Come on, man. Okay, so you can see our accounts has been created. So you can buy, so you can buy uh, so you can buy domain and hosting from here. So how? Let's talk a little bit more. 45 minutes gone, no problem. Domain, okay, domain. So you can, I think, now first of all you have to purchase it, and okay, domain. So how? First of all you have to purchase it and check the availability, the checkout page. If I go there, I hope so. Registration.com domain, you have to you can registration here and search like so cricket cricket Assam cricket Assam search. So you have cricket Assam, I think. And where is the result? Suggested result. So where is the suggested result? So you can see the suggested result is set here, completely fine, no issue. So guys, normally I am saying that creating an account is not a big deal, and if I click it here, so you can see Namecheap, domains, hostings, WordPress, email, marketing tools, security, transfer to us, help center, and account. So be careful about the checkout page. If you are buying something, totally recharge it. And if you are a senior developer, there are no issue. And if you are a junior developer, then you have to very careful. You can also give a mail to them. Facebook is also open, Twitter open, Instagram, Twitter, everything is open for Namecheap, and it's a famous brand. And if I go to the domains, okay, like you are a business owner, I am going to show you a domain. Search for a domain name. See, you are seeing, you think my name is Ahmed Hussain, my portfolio website, my snacks. So, like, I'm a food delivery man or a food related business website like snacks.com. So, like, snacky.com. Okay, just snacky search. So, you can see variant kind of domains you can see there. So, snacky.com. And if I go to the bottom, you can see snacky.com premium. Snacky.com premium will be 98505 dollars. It's too expensive, I think. Okay, no, what is this? 98505.02. $18 is the renew per day. What is the renew per day? Per year you have to pay this. So you have to pay this amount. And snacky.2 is not a good name, but if you buy this, and it will be $39.90 in the add to cart. How to buy it? By bank. I am going to show you. Okay, web hosting, free trial, and you can also give a free trial to their WordPress hosting. SSL security is also at here, and if you check out page, you have to give your bank account details at here. Okay, domain registration 1 year. Okay, $39. It's also fine. $39. Okay, fine, no issue. Confirm orders. How to confirm order for the software? Okay, domain privacy. It's also okay. Where is the bank account? Bank account details. Okay, bank statement. Bulk settings. Stellar web hosting is also fine. Where is the bank? I need the checkout page. Okay, confirm order. Confirm order. If I click here. Okay. So how to confirm order here? First of all, you have to give your first name, your real name. My name is Imamur. At here it will be Imamur. Buy the if I buy the domain name, and if I go to the bottom, the company name, the client you are working with as a freelancer or as a web developer, the company you are working with as a remote developer, or the company you are working with as a on-site web developer. So the company name it will be here, and please be careful about the information, because if any information will be wrong, your money will be cut also. I think I'm not an expert, but I think that you have to give some registration. and it will be cut your money. Job title, you also have to give the job title, address, 1 and 2, city, state, province, and be careful about your zip code and which country you are. I am in Bangladesh. You can see use Bangladesh or America, China, whatever you want, but your home country and your phone number. You can also choose the country code, fax number. You also need a fax number here, and after that a email address, a valid email address or your professional email address you are using in your professional or corporate work. After that, just continue. So just a domain name or a domain will be purchased by Namecheap, and Hostinger is also a famous brand for you. Hostinger. So Hostinger is very famous in all over the world. And if I go to the Hostinger, okay, hostinger.com. So that's it. Pricing, products, developers, everything you can see here. And if you go to the price, and so be careful about the price, domains. So 2.99 per month for the premium. Unlimited is $4, almost $4. Choose your plan. And oh my god, okay, $7 for the cloud server. So that's it. Be careful about the checkout page, and please purchase this domain so carefully. And if you want to see the plan, you can see it: web hosting plan, WordPress hosting, and what kind of hosting there are available: shared hosting, hosting for WordPress, reseller hosting, VPS hosting is a premium. So VPS hosting, dedicated servers, migrate to Namecheap. So if I am going to give a second class for the domain name hosting, and I will explain this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. And if I click here, hosting for WordPress, there are several kind of information, and what you have to purchase, it is absolutely you. Try for fee, see pricing and price. If I go there, you can see the price. Okay. So $0, $13, $20, Easy WP Turbo, and Easy WP Supersonic. So that's it. So be with me, guys, and wait for the next video. I am Imamur. This is a domain and hosting class for a web developer. So I'm not an expert. I'm a learner and a web developer, and it's an experimental video. So I have explained it as my capacity, by my capacity. So be with me, guys. Our today's class will be end. Stay happy, happy cooking. Bye.